Did you have to get training and a permit in order to carry a concealed pistol? Well, some lawmakers say no.
Yeah, they're actually backing a bill that would get rid of such requirements. The Now Detroit's Kim Russell spoke to gun advocates on both sides now of this controversial topic. Kim.
What we're talking about is House Bills 4416 through 4419, and this is the legislative analysis. It is a proposal that has a lot of people talking.
You'll have your index finger pointed straight off the trigger. You'll have the gun pointed straight down at the ground.
At the Action Impact Firearms and Training Center in Southfield today, people took a class on gun safety and laws. It's training they need in order to register with the state for a concealed pistol license.
Why does Big Brother or the government need to know who I am if I want to carry a weapon?
Attorney and State Representative Peter Lucido, a Republican from Macomb County, co-sponsored bills that would change Michigan's gun laws. Right now, as long as you don't have a felony conviction or history of severe mental illness, you can carry a gun out in the open. Lucido wants that to be the case for concealed weapons as well.
It is a right, a constitutional guaranteed Second Amendment right.
Yeah, I think my gun sales would increase.
The owner of Action Impact says he would benefit financially from the proposed changes, but is against them. Bill Cusick is also an attorney. He argues people don't have a constitutional right to ignorance.
You need to know the law as it relates to gun and when you can and cannot use one legally. It's not just open season.
People train all the time without everybody telling them what to do.
We have hunter safety classes. You're going to do away with those? You're going to let people just go out in the woods with shotguns and rifles? Are we going to do that?
Years ago, they never had driver's licenses out there, and people got behind the wheel of a car.
Any time that people aren't educated with their firearms is putting not only law enforcement, it's putting you and me and everybody else at risk.
There's no compelling state reason for the government to know who has these weapons.
So as you can see, there is a lot of controversy. Now, these bills could be considered by the State House as soon as next week, but they would still need approval from the Senate and the governor in order to become law. Reporting live, Kim Russell, the Now Detroit.
Yeah, great to hear both sides like that, Kim. Before you go, talk about what the current training that is required by the state when it comes to having a CPL.
It's a great question because that is at the heart of this debate. Is that needed? Right now, it's about $100. It's 8 hours of training that addresses things like gun safety, liability if you own or have a gun, and also when deadly force is legal. Back to you.
All right, Kim, we'll stay on top of where this legislation goes. Thank you so much for the live.